Hey man, you're gonna have to stay in there a couple more weeks. We couldn't pull off anything to get you out. You're strong though, you're tough, you can make it in the pen. How they been treating you in there anyways? Don't want to talk about it? Yeah, I understand. Well, we're doing all we can to get you out. But you know, this is what happens when you don't listen to the almighty Bukakis and you go in their neighbor's yard. They said you might get out early for good behavior and acting like a chicken. So I know you are in the Unpleasant Pheasant Penitentiary for peasants and chickens alike. Okay, man, well, we gotta go. They're gonna see us, so. Oh, hey, look, here comes the warden now. Oh, shit. We gotta go. Oh, whew. That was a close one. All right. Oh, shit, he's back.